Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have to solve these two nice logarithmic equations. Log of mod x plus y to the base 100 is equal to half. Equation first, and log of y to the base 10 minus log of mod x base 10 is equal to log of 4 base 100. Equation second, right? How to solve these two equations? First equation can be converted as mod of x plus y is equal to 100 to the power half, because a to the power m is equal to x. Log of x base a will be equal to m. Logarithmic and exponential, right? Now x plus y, mod x plus y is equal to 10. If we say equation third, right? Here minus 10 is unadmissible. Right? Minus 10 is unadmissible. Now we will change equation second. Right? Log of y over mod x to the base 10, right, is equal to log of 4 base 100, right? Now log of y over mod x base 10 is equal to log of 4h2 square and 100h 10 square, right? Log of y over mod x base 10 is equal to 2 over 2. Log of 2 base 10, right? Because log of b to the power n, we can say m, and base a to the power n is equal to m over n log of b base a, right? So this converted into this, right? Now log of y over mod x base 10 is equal to log of 2 base 10, right? If we remove log on both the sides, y over mod of x is equal to 2, right? So y is equal to 2 mod of x, right? As we have equation third. Now we will use this equation. Mod of x plus y is equal to 10, equation third, right? So mod of x plus y is equal to this. 2 mod of x, fine, is equal to 10 if x is greater than 0, right? So this will be 3x is equal to 10. So x will be equal to 10 by 3 and y value will be 20 over 3, right? If x is less than 0, so x will be 10 and y will be 20, right? If we check log of mod x plus y base 100 is equal to half, right? So log of x 10 by 3 and y 20 by 3. So mod of 10 by 3 plus 20 by 3 is equal to half base 100, right? So log of this will be 10 base 100 equal to half, right? So we can write log of 10 over log of 100 is equal to half, right? So log 10 is equal to 1 over log 100 is equal to 2, right? Is equal to half, right? Okay friends, thank you.